Iran nuclear centrifuge facility substantially damaged in drone attack. A sabotage operation against one of the buildings of Iran's Atomic Energy Organization (IAEO) caused major damage, despite Iranian denials, the Jerusalem Post learned on Wednesday night. Although Iran has claimed throughout the day that the sabotage failed and caused no damage or casualties, the Post has been given strong indications otherwise, though it has no way to independently confirm. The Post also reported that the attacked site was likely one of Iran's centrifuge manufacturing sites, which meant a major setback for the Islamic Republic's uranium enrichment program for nuclear weapons. A 2017 Institute for Science and International Security report by founder and director David Alrabite and former International Atomic Energy Agency (IAEA) official Ali Heinanen stated that in 2011, the People's Mohammedian Organization of Iran revealed the location as one of Iran's centrifuge manufacturing sites near the city of Karaj, referred to as the Taba site. The report also said that centrifuge components are reportedly made in the 3 workshops at the location. Later, in the institute's report, it warns that Iran may have declared only those sites dedicated to current manufacturing of centrifuges. Iran declared centrifuge manufacturing activities at the Taba centrifuge production site near Karaj, see Figure 3. The operational status and output of this facility is not reported in the IAEA reports on Iran.